We're in 6.7. We're talking about greatest common factor of polynomials. Here we have 12mn and we have 15m squared. Remember that the greatest common factor is the largest number that can be, these can both be divided by. So here the largest number is 12. We could divide this by 2, 3, 4, or 6. This we can divide by 1, 3, 5, or 15. So what was the largest number in that list that we could divide both of these by? And that would be 3. So I could divide them both by, divide by 3, because 12 divided by 3 would be 4, 15 divided by 3 would be 5. The next thing is, how many m's? I can divide this one by 1m, and I can divide this by 1 or 2 m's, so the greatest number they have in common is just the m. Here I can divide by n, or I can divide by n, so this is our greatest common factor. We can divide them both by 3, both by m, and both by n. Same thing over here. Now look over here, we have 3 terms that we need to find the greatest common factor. Once again, we're going to start with the coefficients and say, well, we have a 7, we have a 21, and we have a 14. Well, I can divide 7 by 1 or 7. I can divide 21 by 1, 3, 7, or 21. And 14 I can divide by 1, 2, 7, or 14. So the largest number in that list that I just said was 7. So I can divide them all by 7. So the next thing is we have x cubed, x to the 6th, and x to the 1st power. So the largest number that can divide into all 3 of these is x, because I couldn't divide this by 6. So that would just be x. And then we have y to the 4th, y to the 3rd, and then y. So this would just be y. And we have z squared, z to the 6th, z to the 4th. So z squared would be the largest one we have. We can divide all 3 of these terms by 7x, y, z to the squared. Okay. Now let's see if I have another one on here. Not at the moment. I'll see you in the next video.